Welcome back to English Bridge. Today you'll learn how to speak English at a restaurant. We'll practice real conversations, useful food vocabulary, and how to order politely. Let's go! Food and drink vocabulary. Chicken. Steak. Fish. Rice. Salad. Soup. Fries. Juice. Water. Soda. Dessert. Menu. Waiter. Waitress. Bill. Repeat each phrase after me. A table for two, please. Can I see the menu? What do you recommend? I'm allergic to peanuts. I'll have the grilled chicken. I'd like a glass of water. No ice, please. Can we get the check, please? Now you can order food and talk politely at any English-speaking restaurant. Practice at home or when traveling. Which phrase was your favorite? Comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Bridge. See you next time.